36, 7 3/4.
Second. So we just want to do the ends. We don't want to do the in and out yet. Yeah. Don't worry, we're going. Yeah, you're a little bit on that. He did the same thing to a couple of them. Rubbing the head on it for that getting it down. But I don't know how to solve that.
Only took one for him.
Oh, he was piece of food. Second what? Yeah. I'm gonna rock her up. Okay, alright. Thank you guys for a little bit of
Hey, Kirk. Put that one on the ridge first. Over there on Dad's left.
yeah.
Kirk, you got one through. Off the side, but you got one through.
And then over on the other side, same place? You guys got fun. Where? Oh, wait, no, I don't work over. All right, there you go. We're almost done and I'm starting to wait for you.